and today we're going to be making iced tea, so let's get started. First, this will include something hot, so we're going to be using a kettle, and I need to go get its pad just to show you guys. I'm going to be brewing it in my little station over here, just because. So this is the pad that it goes on to heat up, so yeah. We'll place it on there. Put it on here. Here are a beautiful amount of tea bags. These are actually, there's a Lipton decaffeinated tea bag. These are decaffeinated, especially if you're making them for kids. If you're making them for adults, you want a good, nice, strong flavor. You want strong flavor, or no, not strong flavor necessarily, or like to wake you up really from and just have some caffeine just to get ready for work. If you want to. If you want to, you can always have decaffeinated. You can always have decaffeinated. Or you can have other tea which is not caffeinated, but we recommend Lipton. So we're going to go get a mug, which I have over here. Let's go grab it. And we're going to put, so we're going to measure it by cups. So just take any mug. Every cup you should put about 1 tea bag or so. Two tea bags, but since we're making a whole pitcher, we're not going to put 1,200 tea bags. That's an exaggeration, but since we're making this whole pitcher, we're not going to put 1,200 bottles of, 1,200 tea bags. So for us, we're just going to put 12, right, or 10? We are going to use 6 cups. So it's basically 10, and so yeah, it's just going to be 10. So let's just get started. So you're gonna put some water in your kettle, and ours has a maximum one. Yeah. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill up the kettle to max, and down inside there's a little like latch thing. I don't know if you can see that. Latch right there. It says max. It's a little thing. Oh, anyway, you can see it. Alright. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill it up to that, and so yeah, let's just do that. Sorry to shake, I'm holding the camera, I didn't use the bigger board. Anyway, so we're going to fill this up to max, and we're going to move back to our kettle station. Okay, people, so now we are going to, we're going to heat up this water. I'm losing my mind. All right, we're going to hit this button on the kettle, and you can see right here, I don't know if you can see, but there's a red dot which indicates that maybe you can see just right here. Anyway, so we'll see you guys when this is hot, and we're gonna show you what to do next. Okay, guys, so now we're gonna put our hot water in. Our hot water is hot. Oh, just finished. Yeah. In fact, so we're gonna take a tea bag, and we're gonna put it. We're gonna put it in here. And then now I'm gonna take this. Be very careful. Make sure if it's metal like this, get a glove. Okay, you need to be careful. I'm gonna hold this like this so it doesn't like. Okay. Then you're gonna fill it up almost. Yeah, pretty much all the way to the top. Yeah. And what you want to do is you see. Look. Wait. Oh, look at the color change. Ready? Bam. Look at that. And it is already brewed. This is why hot water is much easier to use. Exactly. Alright, so after you brew this, so I think that's pretty much brewed. So we're just going to let it cool for like a couple of minutes because we don't want it to be steaming hot. So and then we're going to put it in our huge pitcher. So, and plus we don't want it to be steaming hot. And this also doesn't require ice, so we're going to see you the next time. And also, we've already done a bit of this, so we did 1 mug. Not going to lie, we already did 1 mug. Sorry, guys. So we're gonna add a bit more to this. So we'll see after this cools. Yes. Alright, bye. Okay, everyone. So now we just made 1 cup, and it's just cooled down, as you guys saw. So I'm just gonna put the tea bag. I was putting it in a cup because I don't. We can actually keep our cup now. Put it in. Yeah. So now we're just gonna pour this. Be very careful because it is still could be quite hot. And I spilled just a touch, but that's it. But guys, look how brown this color is. It looks like iced tea. Oh, sorry, you can't see. Restaurant style. Yeah, restaurant style. And this is just homemade. Yeah, it is homemade. It's very easy to make, especially if you're a tea drinker. And you just repeat that process however many times. We'll see you when we're done with that process. Okay, everyone. So now we have filled up a whole jug. The process is a little longer, but since we're making holes, if you're just making one for yourself, use this size mug. And remember, we used the decaffeinated Lipton. But I don't know how strong you like it. If you want to put 2 tea bags and you're only having 1. And if you remember, you want it to cool before you actually pour it in. So if you actually feel it right now, it's actually not hot. It is quite warm. So that's what you want. You don't want it to be burning. You want it to be quite warm. And actually, here, if I pick this up, you can see, look how brown it is. It's supposed to be that is beautiful. That is what we wanted. Yeah, so this is what we wanted, and then, so we'll see you guys when this is finished. And also we're going to make, we are going to make a sugar syrup. So we're going to quickly do that, and we'll show you how. Yeah, and that'll be required for the stove, so make sure if you're a kid. Make sure you have adult supervision. If you're a kid. Now, if you're an adult, you can adult. You could, but whatever. Yeah. Alright, so this is just some sugar and some hot water. So what we're going to do is we're going to mix this up until it becomes like a thick kind of like do you guys remember the fun dessert? It's kind of like what we did for that. It was kind of like a sugar syrup that we're going to use to just put it into the iced tea instead of just normal sugar. Because if you didn't know, normal sugar, sometimes that would be but don't actually, it's not that good. Alright, so I think that should be about good. It's just some sweet water pretty much. Did you already put the sugar in? Yes, we did. Okay. That's texture. And we'll see you after we pour it. Yeah.